by kidscloud.
Please subscribe to this channel, kidscloud. Types of fraction, Part 2, like fractions.
We all are aware of various types of fractions. Three major ones have already discussed. Now we will study three more, which includes like fractions, unlike fractions, and equivalent fractions. In this video, we will discuss about like fractions. Can you guess what kind of fractions these are? As the name indicates, something is similar in these types of fractions. Fractions having the same denominators are called like fractions. For example, 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 4 by 9, 6 by 9. These are all like fractions whose denominators equal to 9. Let's study the examples of like fractions. Here are three identical squares. We have divided each one into 9 equal parts. In all these three squares, we have colored different portions in pink. In A, 2 portions are colored out of 9. So fraction colored in A is 2 by 9. In B, the colored fraction is 4 by 9. While in C, the colored fraction is 7 by 9. The denominator is the same in all these fractions. These are like fractions. How can we add or subtract these like fractions? You can add and subtract like fractions easily. In these fractions, as the denominator is the same, additions and subtractions are straightforward. We have to keep the denominator the same in the answer. We need to add numerators only. Here is an example of the addition of like fractions. Fractions for the blue portion are shown below the respective circles. In this example, the fractions 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 share the same denominator 4. A resultant fraction will retain the same denominator 4. The addition of numerators 1 and 3 will give the fraction equals 4 by 4. It reduces further to 1. Thus, addition is simple in like fractions. Similarly, in the subtraction of like fractions, we have to keep the denominator constant. Merely, we have to subtract the numerators as follows. Here is an example for subtractions of like fractions. We are considering the fractions for yellow colored portions. 5 by 7 and 3 by 7 are like fractions. The subtractions leads to the answer 2 by 7. Here we kept the denominator as it is and subtracted the numerators only. So kids, here is a task for you. Find out the like fractions in the following. Second, find out the fractions colored in pink and add them.
Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to this channel.